My beloved child, I see the weight you carry in silence, the way you look toward heaven at night and wonder if your prayers are still heard. I see the ache behind your smile, the memories that rise like waves when you think of your daughter. You wonder where you went wrong, what more you could have done, how something once so close could now feel so far. But listen to me now. You have not failed. The love you planted in her heart is still alive. It has not died. It has not disappeared. It sleeps beneath the noise of this world, waiting for the warmth of my light to awaken it again. You see distance, but I see destiny unfolding. You see silence, but I hear the quiet working of transformation deep within her soul. Every tear you have cried has been collected in my hands. Every whisper of her name has reached me like a song. Do not think I am far. I am nearer than the breath you take. I walk beside your daughter even when she walks away from you. I protect her in places you will never see. There are moments when she almost gives up, but your prayers rise around her like a shield. There will come a day when her heart will break open in light, a moment when she will feel the emptiness of the path she chose and remember your love. She will remember the peace that once surrounded her, the calm in your voice, the safety in your arms, and she will begin to find her way home. So do not let fear become your master. Do not let worry steal your days. I am writing her story with patience, not punishment. I am shaping her through what she does not yet understand. Even her mistakes are soil for mercy to grow. When the time is right, she will see what you see. That love was never lost, it only waited. You have stood faithfully in the storm, and heaven has seen your endurance. When you thought no one noticed your faith, all of heaven was watching. You were never praying alone. Angels have echoed your cries. The same hands that shaped the stars are now shaping her future. Trust me with what you cannot control. Rest your heart in my promise. I am the God who restores, who redeems, who brings beauty from ashes. Your daughter is not lost. She is in the middle of a miracle. Hold on, beloved. The story is not ending in pain. It will end in peace. You will see her smile again. You will hear her laughter in the light of a new morning, and you will know that every prayer, every tear, every moment of faith was worth it because I was there all along, and I am still here now.